Hey friends, today we've got a cool device, the humidifier. If your room feels dry or heavy, this gadget adds moisture to the air, making it fresh and easy to breathe. Let's see how it works. So for making this, I took a 60mm PVC pipe. After marking it carefully, I used a cutter to make clean holes on both sides. This is the first step of our humidifier build. Next, take a PVC sheet, mark it properly, and cut a neat circle using a cutter. Once done, fix it perfectly inside the PVC pipe to fit the design. It fits perfectly. Now comes the main part, the humidity module. As you can see, it already has a built-in battery attached to power the device. Now take an empty mosquito repellent refill and carefully cut its cap using a cutter, just like this. Then take an empty pen and cut a small piece from it. After that, use araldite to fix both pieces together securely. Keep watching, because in the next part you'll see how this setup. As you can see, it's perfectly made. Before we continue, a big shout out to Altium for sponsoring this video. Altium is known for powering some of the world's most advanced PCB design workflows, and if you're a student, Altium offers something incredibly valuable, the Altium Student Lab. It gives you free access to industry-level design experiences and a complete PCB learning program that walks you through everything from core concepts to practical design fundamentals like layout, routing, manufacturing, and supply chain basics. You will work on real-world projects, build job-ready skills, and on an official course certificate that helps your resume stand out and open doors to future opportunities. Enrollment is completely free, so if you want to take your electronic career to the next level, check out the link below and join Altium Student Lab today. Now we're making the setup again. Carefully cut the humidity module wires using scissors, just like this. One side is the water inlet and the other is the outlet. Now we'll attach it to the cap we made earlier and fix it firmly with glue for a tight leak-free fit. It fits perfectly here, as you can see. We also made a PVC circle, and now we'll carefully attach the cap we made into the circle's hole. Apply superglue thoroughly to ensure it's securely fixed and perfectly aligned. Next, take the LED and insert it into the smaller hole we made in the PVC pipe. After that, the glue is applied perfectly. Now we'll attach the top part we prepared and align the water outlet correctly in the larger hole. Secure everything firmly with super glue for a strong hold. So we've created a PVC circle and marked it for the module's USB cable connection. Using a cutter, we carefully cut along the marks, and it's perfectly done. Let me show you how it looks. Now we're making a small hole in the PVC pipe to fit the on-off switch. Once the hole is ready, we start organizing and connecting all the wiring. Using the soldering iron, we carefully solder each connection to ensure everything is secure and works perfectly. The setup is coming together neatly and efficiently. Now that the wiring is done, we're securing everything inside the PVC using a glue gun. After attaching all the components, we firmly hold the PVC circle in place with super glue to make sure everything stays perfectly in position. Next, we take a pen refill and carefully cut a small piece from it. This piece will be attached to our on-off switch as a functional part. Once it's fitted properly, we connect our unique device to a smartphone charger and watch it power up smoothly, completing the setup and making it fully operational. Now that it's fully charged, we attach the bottle to the device. After adding a little water inside and securing it properly, we switch it on. As you can see, it's working perfectly and smoothly, just as we intended. So friends, I'd love to hear your thoughts. How did you like this device? Please drop your comments below and share any unique ideas or suggestions for our next project. Your feedback really helps me figure out what to create next and keeps me motivated to make better videos. I read every comment, and your ideas often inspire the next steps. I'll be back soon with another exciting project. Until then, goodbye friends, stay safe and take care.